Okay, I've now been at the airport for 11 and a half hours. Took me this long to realise that I could actually make a half decent YouTube video out of this, because not many people are at an airport for 24 hours. Basically, my situation, I missed my flight this morning.
You're stupid.
7:15, got here at 7, it's now 6:30 PM. I created a video, my new channel intro, uploaded it, made an Instagram promotion video which is now on Instagram, and yeah, like, I've just been chilling out, walking about. I had some food for the first time today at, what time was it, like 5:30? Went to Red Roosters, got a nice chicken burger. It's actually not too bad. I'm wondering about, I think it's not too bad because I got my laptop with me and all my SD cards, so I can make YouTube videos out of it, I can edit the photos. That is a very nice car, sir. There's a massage lounge.
Oh my god!
But yeah, I'm just gonna try and make a video out of it. If it comes out good, then all thumbs up. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So yeah, this is the setup I've been rolling with since 7 in the morning. Suitcase, surfboard, tripods, and then I got my rucksack on the back. Yeah, the Greyhound cruising in. That's a major throwback, Louis. Major throwback. Massage lounge or video? Don't quite know. Brisbane airport is very nice indeed, actually. Think I've made the decision to go to the massage lounge, level 2. Yeah. Wheel it in. Nicely done, Alex. Yeah, this takes a bit more time. Kill some of that.
God damn, this some serious gourmet shit.
Nothing on level 3, that's boring. Getting a lot busier now though. When I first got here there was no one. Eesh. Again. Nicely done, Alex. Found them, but I've only got cards. You have to pay. Coinage, $1 and $2 coins only. $2 for 4 minutes and $3 for 8. Meh. I think I'll go back upstairs and do a YouTube video, mate.
Another one.
Nothing else to do. Backing up. Keep on bumping into. Oh, water fountains, they're fun. I'd love to fly my drone at the airport, but it's even more illegal flying it here than it is flying in any city centre, so I think that is going to be a no. Also, drone scramblers, my drone will blow up in the air. What else could go down? The problem with drones flying around airports, and in Gatwick this is a particular problem, is that drones are being used to unfortunately fly into the engines of planes. So yeah, I'm not gonna fly my drone here. And for those of you that don't know, I bloody well love a good time lapse. So, focus mate, what's going on here? There you go, I'm gonna grab some time lapses for you guys, and for me. So yeah, cue time lapse montage now.
God damn, this some serious gourmet shit.
That's a classic one. Dropping off the parents at the airport. So this is the first time I'm doing something like this. I recorded myself just doing some very basic edits on Final Cut Pro 10. What I tend to do is I simplify all of the clips, you know, color grade them, sharpen them up, cancel out the unnecessary things, and then I go around and do sound effects, music, and all that other fun stuff, watermarks. I hope this comes out alright. What I'm doing at the moment is simply just cutting it down, taking out the unnecessary bits. Sorry again for the background noise. I'm still in the airport. I have 7 hours, 6.5 hours now till my flight. so it's not that bad, but I'm still wide awake and creating this video for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'm bored. These starbursts are the things that are keeping me going right now. I'm so bored I'm even going to do a starburst montage. Let's do it. Flip montage. Shoot. My eyes hurt. That tired.
Why don't you meet me at Qdoba and I'll cover the bill? Cause you know I'm good at spending money I don't have. And if phones throw me olive branches I don't grab. Put the water in the pot and boil all of it out. What's the point of living if I don't contribute to drought? Go ahead, leave me at the bottom and I'll float to the top, alright?
Yeah mate, I like starbursts. Got and pick them all up now. I think I'm gonna make a cool advert for this Audi mate. A1? But yes, I thought so.
On the shelf, I could go it alone or I could use some help. I could bring you home or I could bring myself. And if you tell me to go, I'll probably listen to you. Find myself all by myself again with nothing to do.
I've got to, can't write it down. Don't really know how, I've got to figure it out. Sometimes I float up, sometimes I drown. Can't really breathe, no, I can't make a sound. Take a walk with me.
With this Audi mate, you can get exclusive Uber drives. Check it out, my hair's going in my nose again. Yes, so just had another amazing idea. Got that there's a shower in the disabled toilets. I've had a shower a day. So, logical thing, have a shower. Having that shower was one of the best decisions I've made since I've been at the airport. How long now? 19 hours. Yeah. It's nearly coming to an end. So this place is either driving me insane or I've started to do stuff unconsciously. I've just been, I think it's the second one. I've just been unconsciously making part of the video for about the past 10 minutes and I can't remember what I was doing, which is quite funny. Don't know why it's not focusing, I apologise. That was really weird 10 minutes. I don't know what's happened. So I came out here for some fresh air, but I insist on not falling asleep because I'm not missing this flight again and I'm just going to sleep the whole way on the plane. I think that's the best bet. That's gonna happen. Never, ever, ever book with Melindo Air. The inconvenience I've just been through to not even check in is a joke. So I finally made it to Bali. 38 hours in total of waiting at the airport, flying and trying to get to a hostel. My original hostel that I booked was definitely not the one that was promoted in the hostel world, so that was a bit cheeky, but all's good now. It's a nice bar, very cheap, got some awesome people in my room, so yeah, I cannot wait to make a few Bali videos. It's gonna be awesome, so yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan.